Hey, it's Judah, and in this video I'm going to go over how you can get started with SceneForge Studio for real-time previs, virtual production, and storyboarding. You can get started by going to vu.studio to access the Virtual Studio platform. Simply sign up if you're not already, or log in if you already have an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by this screen right here, allowing you to select SceneForge as the app. Next, download the installer for your desired platform. It's available now for both Mac and PC. Once you have the installer downloaded and the app opened up, you'll be greeted by this screen right here. All you have to do is log in with your browser, and it'll redirect you back to the app with your account information. Now for this example, I'm going to create a new project, so I can simply do create, name my project, choose whether or not I want to include the example content, and then finally click Create. This will ask us where we want to put our project and its folder. I'm going to simply select Desktop, and our project will be loaded up. Now you can see I already have a couple objects here. That's because I imported an existing project. Now the SceneForge editor is broken up into 4 main modes. We have Stage Mode, which is where you actually build your scenes in 3D, control the visuals of the scene, and adjust your lighting and cameras. Floor Plan is a top-down 2D representation of the scene, allowing you to draw doors, walls, and rapid set ideation. This is great for storyboarding and prototyping. A full video dedicated to this will be coming in the future. Next we have Storyboard Mode, and this is where you compile and edit storyboards based on your shots in your project. And finally we have Shoot Mode, which is how you can actually control the virtual cameras in your scene. And that is an overview of the SceneForge editor. Stay tuned for the next video where we go over how you can edit your scenes from scratch using Stage Mode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.